Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the heart is divided into 4 chambers?
The right atrium and right ventricle are on the right side, while the left atrium and left ventricle are on the left side. These chambers are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. The right atrium receives oxygen-poor blood from the body, while the left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs.
The right ventricle pumps the oxygen-poor blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle pumps the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. The heart also has 2 valves, the tricuspid and the mitral valves, which control the flow of blood between the artery and ventricles. The pulmonary and aortic valves control the flow of blood between the ventricles and the lungs and the rest of the body, respectively.
Let's talk about the coronary arteries. These are the blood vessels that supply the heart with oxygen and nutrients. The left and right coronary arteries branch off from the aorta and supply blood to the heart muscle. The heart also has a network of veins called the coronary sinus, which collects blood from the heart muscle and returns it to the right atrium.
Let's not forget about the sinoatrial node, also known as the pacemaker of the heart.
This is where the heart's electrical impulses are generated, which regulate the heart's rhythm and contraction. The heart and its connection to other parts of the body. Did you know that the heart is not only the center of our circulatory system, but it's also the largest muscle in our body?
That's right. This amazing organ, which is about the size of our fist, pumps blood throughout our body, ensuring that every cell gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. The heart's connection to other parts of the body. The heart is connected to the lungs through the pulmonary artery and vein, which carry oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood, respectively. It's also connected to the esophagus, which helps in swallowing food.
The heart is connected to the diaphragm, which helps in breathing, and to the liver, which is responsible for detoxifying our body.
The heart is also connected to the stomach, which helps in digestion, and to the kidneys, which filter our blood.
It's connected to the spleen, which helps in removing old red blood cells, and to the pancreas, which helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Lastly, the heart is connected to the brain, which controls all the functions of the body, including the heart's rhythm and blood pressure.